All right, I got Josh and Jeff with me.
Josh and Jeff.
Pay close attention to the indicators. They're like completely off.
Oh, yeah. I can hear it coming down.
This thing ran perfectly prior to last week. I came here last week and it was perfectly fine.
It is so bad.
After y'all,
Okay.
This is kind of towering fear of this thing. Is the up arrow doing the same thing? No. We can show you what the down arrow was doing upstairs. Hey there.
hey,
No!
well,
That was almost normal.
almost until you screamed. Then it decided that it had to get revenge. There's the down arrow.
Oh, yeah.
So you can see an incandescent bulb, and they're trying to work.
Yeah.
It's probably so old. I'd love to hear in like 5 minutes over the scanner, 3 people stuck in an elevator.
Wow, that shakes like crazy.
Take this for one more ride up and down, and we'll focus on the doors, which actually move as the elevator's moving. Really sad.
Okay, we'll do that.
We'll end it at 2.
And look, nobody's waiting. Doesn't work on a Schindler, but just to satisfy myself, I'll push it anyways. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
No. Alright, let's go now. Alright.
Wow. I think that about sums it up.
Alright. See you guys later.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.